Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today we're doing a week in my Skinny Classic Gratitude Journal. So we're going to use Squad Life and Crazy. We're supposed to get over an inch of snow this coming week. So I wanted to use these, and I thought it would be fun to use these girls that are like skiing in the snow. All right, so let's get started. This was last week. It was a lot of fun. The little roller skates and everything. So I wanted to try something a little different, and instead of using washi, I'm going to use this marker. And actually, I wanted to get a piece of paper. Let's see, to put under it. What did I just drop? I just dropped something. I don't know what though. Okay, so make sure I'm using the right one. Yeah, it's like this. So I want to do, let's see, I think I want to go all the way to the edge. Just go like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want this color. Whoa, that's really not perfect, but that's okay. I'm just doing like a snow on the ground, so it really doesn't have to be, you know, straight. And it may not come out good, but that's okay. I think that's good. So we'll just do like that. And then the same over here. If I can get them somewhat straight. And then some of them, I guess, will go over. I guess I need to go over them both so that they're about the same color. And then this one, let's go over it like that. And then this one, whoa. You get those little stop marks when you stop. Okay. So we'll start with that. And then if I decide to draw more, I'll do some more. I'll get the paper again. So I want to create some cute little scenes. Let me move this thing. I definitely want to use this little house. The house is very cute. So let's start with the little house right here. And do like a little scene with the house. And let's put this biggish tree here. House, a tree. And these are so fun to be able to create little scenes like this in your planner. I love doing little scenes. So that tree's kind of tall for there, so I'm going to put the tree right here. Because if not, it was going to go into the thing over there. So let's put the little snowman. Oh, that'd be a huge snowman. Instead, let's put the deer. Let's see. This one's going to be over here looking that way. Back at the house. And then we've got this one like this. So cute. And then let's have this one looking back at them. Or maybe I'll save this one for one of the girls. Yeah, I think that's good for right there. And then, do I want another one here? I don't think so. Okay, let's do one of the girls. Let's do, so we've got two going this, no, we've got three going this way. Oh, and I also want to do the girls like throwing snowballs at each other. Let's do that first, because I think this is kind of funny. So she is going to be throwing a snowball at her friend. So, and she's going to have an unsuspecting friend that she's throwing a snowball at. She has no idea she's about to get hit in the head. Let's put this tree over here with her off to the side. Okay. I kind of feel like we need a little more, like, you know, let's see. She's going to have the snowman behind her because she just finished building the snowman. Her friend did not help her. So now she is going to throw a snowball at her. That's what I think is happening here. And then let's have it like that. Let's add a little more here too. I think that one can stay like that. Okay. And we're going to have to spruce this up a little bit. So, oh look, there's more deer over here. Good. Let's do, I want to put some of these little snowflakes here since it's snowing. I can also draw in some snowflakes too. Let's go ahead and do just one line here. If I can get it somewhat straight. Like that. Okay. All right. I think I will do a little tree like her. Sort of like off in the distance. Okay. I want to like draw a snowball hitting her. Let's see. Let's do, I want to do the girls on the on their skis. Which now, had I thought about it before, the girls should have been up here on the skis, and then these should have been down here. Like they were up in the mountain. Dang it. I did it wrong. That's okay. All right, so let's start with the snowboarder. And I'm going to have her over here. She's like on a deep, like on a real, maybe over here. Let's just go like this. And you know what? It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just continuing like that. And let's see if we can put her on there. She's the smallest one. Yeah. Let's put her on here. There we go. It's cute. And then we can have this girl. I think she's going to be over here. And she's kind of flat, so let's just do like a little bit of a hill here. Like that. Let's put her over here. She's on the bunny slope because she's new and doesn't really know how to ski. Okay. Then over here, let's see. She looks cool with her sunglasses. I want to use her. And let's have her, do we want them going this way? Oh no, she can't. She's got to go this way. All right, let's just do a little hill here. Let's do like that. And really, you could do this in any planner. It doesn't have to be in the skinny or even like a journal page. I remember I did a journal page somewhat like this, which now that I think about it, that might look kind of cute over here too. But it was some girls ice skating, and all I did was, you know, like I did the bottom sort of like this. Let's put her right here. And let's put a little tree up here, like off in the distance. Or is that too big right there? But okay. I've got these two. Let's try a couple of these. Maybe here. And then let's do one down here. And this girl that's cold, I don't know. Maybe she can go here. This girl's going to be coming down too, so I think she needs to go. Or maybe she's standing over here laughing. Like, yeah, hit her, hit her. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's move the snowman. All right, we're getting rid of the snowman story. The snowman's going to go someplace else. I think the snowman's going to go over here. Maybe she didn't want to play snowball fight. She wanted to build a snowman. So now the two mean girls over here are going to smack her with the snowball. That's what I think. She's like, ha ha ha. She's going to smack her. She's not even looking. She should be watching. All right, so this one's got to be coming down a hill too. Let's go like this. And then let's have it go up. Just because, I don't know, I thought it would look kind of weird having this one like going down and then ending differently. Does that make sense? All right. Well, that's kind of fun. Actually, we can just continue, right? The color going all the way across like that. And then this one can kind of go like that too. Why not? It's just a messy look anyway. There. So then this one is going to be continued also. And that one doesn't have to be because we've got the little holes right there. Okay, so let's put this girl. And I think I'm going to cut off a little piece of that blue behind her, and that's okay. So let's scrape and get all of the air bubbles out of the underneath these clear stickers. I just think it makes such a difference. It might not, I don't know, tell me, does it make a difference on camera? The scraped versus the non-scraped? I know it does in person. It's like the colors just get brighter. And you can't see any kind of thing behind them. Okay, I'm not really liking this little tree over here all by itself, so we're going to add a little tree to that one so that it's not by itself. Like that. And then, let's see. We've got that snowman. This one's looking this way, so let's put him over here. Let's put him right there. Okay. Totally should have been flipped, but whatever. And you know what? I don't like this white down here, so I'm going to color this in too. I don't think it needs to be white under there. Like that. Okay. That's kind of cute. I'm not loving how it looks up there, but you know what? We've got all these cute little trees. Let's just put them up here. That way it's not plain up there. Let's put this one here. And then, I don't know what these little, those are like little holly things. I don't know. Okay. And I was going to use another one of this cabin like over here, but then it's going to look like she's just going to fly into the cabin. So let's do another one of these up here. And let's see this little green one. And there's another blue one. Let's just make it a little different than on the other one, on the other side. Let's put that one there. Meow, meow. All right, and let's add some of these. There's a bunch of these little snowflakes, although I want to be able to write. So what I think I'm going to do is, this is kind of scary, but let's just do random little dots like this as snowflakes. And I cannot believe we're getting snow. That's so crazy. I do remember we had like a dusting one year, like very small. You could still see the grass through it. But I'm in like Northwest Florida, Pensacola area, and they're saying 4 inches. I don't know that I believe 4 inches, but stay tuned because if it is 4 inches, I'll let y'all know. Okay, well that looks cute, all the little dots. All right, what y'all think? I think I'm done. I was going to color it like the days of the week, but this one's kind of covered, but I think I'm going to. Friday, Saturday. Just, I don't know, just because I want to. This was just a fun little creative spread. There. All right. I think, let's see. I think I don't like how this one's like kind of just flat compared to the other ones, you know? So we'll just add a little bit more of the texture there. Okay. All right, that's cute. Should I put tree? Let's see, we got one. Let's just use it. Yes. All right. Where's my planner? I keep losing my planners. Oh, here they are. Okay. Alrighty. Gratitude journal for next week. Whoop, I forgot I got to punch the little thing. What do you guys use your Skinny Classic for? Because I imagine, well, if you're watching this, you probably have a Skinny Classic. What do you guys use it for? Is it like your regular planner? Is it gratitude? I know somebody uses it for meal planning, and that's a great idea too. It's like the perfect size for that. All right. Whoop. Oh, nope. All right. I still gotta cut this. Okay. How cute. I love it. I hope you guys liked it. All right, well, that's it. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Are you going to try this in your planner? What do you use this planner for? And I will see you in the next video. Bye.